Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. So right now my husband Chad is mowing the lawn in the backyard and it's like right here. I hope you can't hear it, but if you can, he's almost done. I cannot wait any longer. I've been waiting like 3 hours to film this, and I actually was planning on filming it like on Friday or Saturday, but I know if I wait, I'm going to open it. And I did an Instagram story poll. I asked you guys if I should do a video on this, like an unboxing video like I'm doing now, or if I should just feature it in one of my vlogs. And whenever I post a poll, I always forget to check it and see what you guys think, which is so annoying. I have to like set a reminder on my phone or something. The last time I checked it was 50-50, but that was only a few hours in, so hopefully you guys want to see this. I haven't done like a sit down video, like a chit chat style, kind of like hang out with you guys in a while, and I just thought it'd be so fun to like sit down and talk to you. So the bag that I got is from Tory Burch. I love their handbags. I think for the price especially, they aren't super duper expensive. I think for the price that they are amazing quality, and I just really like them. I actually found this bag in the winter time a few months ago, and then I started seeing people wearing it on Instagram, and I knew I wanted it in a like spring shade, so I just like waited to buy it. And then for my birthday, I was like, it's the perfect excuse. I don't have to feel that bad if I buy it for myself for my birthday, right? So I will link it down below. I just wanted to say that now because I feel like I will get some questions if I don't. It comes in 3 sizes. I got the largest size. I have a Neverfull I use all the time that is in the largest size, and then I have a smaller bag from Tory Burch, so I really needed something that was like in the middle. And so this is how it comes. It just comes in a box like this, and inside is the wrapping. I did get the gift wrapping because it's free and it was for my birthday. I bought it for myself obviously, but I figured why not since it's free. And the only thing I looked at is it came in a bag and not in a box. I feel like whenever you buy a handbag, you always want it to come in a box, right? So that was like a little bit disappointing, but it's not a big deal. So on top of it, it comes with the receipt and just like some info on the bag. And then I'm gonna pull this out. Here's what it looks like inside, and the sticker's just kind of like really messy and off to the side, but that's what that looks like. And then here is the wrapping for the bag. It's in just like a fancier bag from Tory Burch, and the sides are like this. I actually got a handbag from Tory a few years ago for Christmas, and it was like in the same style packaging, and it has a Velcro right there. I feel like when you guys see this bag, you totally are going to think this bag is so me, like for those of you that have been following for a long time, because the second I saw this, I was just so obsessed. Okay, so here is the packaging for the actual bag. It comes like this. And what I love about this brand is I think that these bags, like I said, I think they're an awesome price and value for the quality. I think they're great quality, but I also think they look like so much more high-end than they are. They aren't like thousands and thousands of dollars. I mean, I wonder if some of them are, but for the most part they're not, and they last a really long time. I feel like I'm pretty rough on bags. Like sometimes I buy expensive handbags, but I'm not the kind of person who is like super duper like worried about it and careful about it. If I have to set it on the floor at a restaurant, I'm going to. I feel like I take care of them as much as I can, but I'm not like excessive about it. That's just me. I feel like pretty much everything wears, especially if you enjoy it. And oh my god, I'm like so dying right now. Okay, so here's the bag. It is in shell pink. I believe that's the color. And I just think this is so pretty. I love this color. And there are so many options for colors. If you guys are not into this color, there's like a mauve-y rosy pink that's darker. There is a black, an off-white, a light blue, an olive. There's just like so many options for colors, but it's super soft. And oh my gosh, I'm so excited. If I had to think of a handbag that would describe me, I honestly would pick this. I just think it's like so beautiful. And let me pull off. It just has like wrapping around it, so I'm just gonna pull off all the wrapping to show you what it actually looks like. Okay. I'm so excited about this. And while I'm pulling off all this wrapping, I do want to tell you guys the next few videos on my channel are like very requested videos. I'm so excited about them. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I would love to have you, and please give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoy it. I don't think I said that yet, so I'm going to throw that in now. Okay. Oh, and there is a dust bag. I don't know why I forgot about that. So inside is just some more wrapping and the dust bag. is in here, and here's how their dust bags look. It's actually small for this bag, or like smaller than I would expect it to be. Well, actually, I guess that's like pretty standard. I don't know. I just have a smaller bag from Tory Burch, and I swear the dust bag is like the same size, so I would expect it to be a little bit bigger, but that's what it looks like, just simple. And it does have like the thing on the end here. I'm just like throwing all the wrapping on the floor. I don't even care. I'm so excited. Okay, so that's what that looks like. And then I think I need scissors for the price tag, so that I'm going to leave on there for now. So it does have a chain on it. It's honestly so soft. It's like way softer than I was expecting it to be. And I love that it can be worn as a crossbody. It can be worn like on one shoulder really long. And then since it has a chain, it can be worn shorter too. So I just think it's so pretty. And then inside of here, oh, there's more wrapping. Oh, there's pockets on the side. There's actually like way more pockets in here than I was expecting. So hopefully I can show this to you. I'm afraid it's going to be really dark. But on the back, there is a zipper pocket right here, and it's just like a big open space. And then on the other side, there are two pockets that are way longer. Hopefully that shows up right here. There's a long pocket and then a smaller long pocket. So that's like perfect for your phone. And I'm going to show you guys everything that I put in here too. And then here is the back pocket. So it's just really long like this. And one of the reasons I love this style of this bag is because I totally feel like it has like a Chanel, I don't even know what those are called, like the flat back. Is that what that's called? That's probably wrong. Those like Chanel bags that everyone has that are so popular. But honestly, like even if I was able to spend like $5,000 on a handbag, I really don't think I ever would. I personally would just like feel so bad about that. So I love how affordable these bags are. They still are a nice bag, but it isn't like insanely expensive. It's like a look for less, but you guys know I'm all about a look for less. I did that style blogger look for less haul video, like spring style, a few weeks ago. I will have it up here if you haven't seen it, and I'm going to do another one for summer. I ordered a bunch of things that are like the same style that look exactly like higher end items that are all over Instagram for way less. So if you're not subscribed, you want to see that if you are into those style videos, because that is like one of my favorite topics and things ever to share with you guys. Okay, and then I'm going to show you, I think I said this right, I'm going to show you like what I have in my bag on a daily basis too. I'm dying over this bag, like I literally am dying. Okay, so here is the smaller bag I have from Tory Burch that I think I talked about already, and I've had this for a few years. I love this bag so much. I just think it has held up so well. I have worn this bag an insane amount, and I don't think this style is available anymore, but I have like a wallet in here that I'm going to put in the other bag, so I figured I would just show that to you really quickly. But the wallet is also from Tory Burch, and it's just simple and black, and it looks like this. And I will show you guys like once this is filled up with everything, how much room is in there, because this is just like the perfect size. There's so much space in here. What else is in this thing that I need? And I feel like I don't have a ton of things with me on an everyday basis, but the next are these oil absorbing sheets. I mentioned these in my last video, so I'm not going to talk about them too much here, but they are really, really good for anyone that gets shiny throughout the day. And the next is the facial spray I also mentioned in my last video. So good. And then I have a lip oil, and it's from e.l.f. I've been talking about these nonstop because they are insanely good for the price. I do have a few colors that I love. And then I'll show you guys my phone in here too. And it's not fitting flat in a side pocket, but that's fine. It's not a huge deal to me. So I will just show you guys. Everything I just showed you fits in here. There's like a ton of room left. And I feel like that's a way better way to show you. Hopefully you can see that. I just think this is so great for the price. I feel like I should show it to you standing up, like wearing it, so you guys can kind of get a better idea for the size. And it has a tassel. Oh, I love that the tassel has a hook on it too, because the other bag from Tory, it just is like a tie. It just like has a loop on it, and this has actually fallen off in the past in a restaurant. I heard something like really heavy hit the ground, and I assumed it was somebody else, but I turned around and this like fell off the bag. It's only happened one time, but still that was like really awkward. So I love that this one has a hook on it. I'll show you that up close. So please excuse this dress. I just posted this on Instagram story too because I feel like it's so not flattering. I feel like a shift dress is not flattering unless you like have something around your waist, you know, to like cinch it. But it's comfortable and it's perfect for wearing around the house. So that is where it falls. So that's where it falls if I'm just wearing it like straight down. It's a little long, but I still think it looks pretty cute like that. Honestly, I'll probably wear it like this for the most part. I just love having the tassel. Should that go in the back or the front? What do you guys think? I feel like it probably looks just a little lighter on camera from the light than in person. And then the symbol for Tory Burch is on the top, so you only see half of it from the front, which I actually really like that. I like that it's not just like right in your face, like, hey, here's like the label or whatever. I like that it's kind of like hidden and not so showy. I'm pretty sure they do offer this bag with silver hardware, but personally I love gold. And that's all for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. I really don't do like a chit chat style hangout video very often or pretty much ever on my channel, but I thought it'd be fun to do something different and just sit down and show you something I was excited about. So I hope that you liked it. If you are new, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this, and make sure to click on the bell so you're notified whenever a new video goes up. I'll be back in a few days with a very requested video that I can't wait to share with you, and I will see you then. Bye!